I've been using the Oanda Broker for a while now, and in this video, I'll share my honest and unbiased review. I'll cover all the key features, benefits, risks, and considerations so that by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what Oanda offers and whether it's the right choice for your trading journey. Why trust Oanda? With over 25 years of experience, Oanda has built a reputation for innovation, excellent customer care, transparent pricing, and state-of-the-art trading platforms. Here are some highlights. 1. Safe and secure transactions. Oanda ensures secure deposits and withdrawals, giving you peace of mind when managing your funds. 2. Direct trading from TradingView. Trade seamlessly from TradingView or other preferred platforms with smooth integration and advanced features. 3rd, global market access. Trade CFDs on Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and shares, all from one broker. 4. Flexible account options. Choose between various account types, including commission-free and spread-only models tailored to your needs. Trading tools and features. 1. Cutting-edge platforms. Oanda supports multiple trading platforms, including MetaTrader 5 for advanced traders, TradingView for intuitive charting and analysis, mobile apps for trading on the go. 2. Technical analysis and alerts. You can access premium MetaTrader tools with inbuilt alerts powered by NLP, natural language processing technology, to stay ahead of market trends. 3. Fast and reliable execution. You can enjoy super fast order execution on all platforms, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. 4th, demo accounts. You can test your strategies risk-free with Oanda's demo account before transitioning to live trading. 5. Depth of market (DOM). You can gain insights into market liquidity and trends to make informed decisions. 6. Copy trading. You can replicate successful trading strategies effortlessly with copy trading. Features: education and support. Oanda Labs. You can access a wealth of educational resources, tutorials, and market analysis to sharpen your trading skills. VPS hosting. You can trade with greater stability and reduced latency using Oanda's VPS hosting services. 24/7 customer support. Oanda's knowledgeable support team is available around the clock to assist with your questions and concerns. Pros of Oanda: broker, regulated and trusted, low minimum deposit, wide range of assets, transparent pricing, intuitive trading platforms. Cons of Oanda: broker, limited leverage in some regions. Oanda offers reduced leverage in heavily regulated regions, which might not suit high-risk traders. No negative balance protection in some areas. Withdrawal fees. Some withdrawal methods may incur fees depending on your region and account type. As always, consult a financial expert before making any investment decisions to ensure they align with your goals and risk tolerance. Thanks for watching.